This is a problem we're seeing more and more of. Modern paints are sometimes a clear coat over base, which means there's a clear lacquer over the top. Sometimes the lacquer isn't put on too well, and sometimes UV gets to it and it degrades, and it can start to come away like this in bits, or it can come off in sheets. You'll have seen it. Most people will tell you the only solution is to strip it all off and totally repaint. But as usual, we're doing it on a budget, and I want to do a little experiment. I'm going to see if we can flat out the lacquer, revive the colour, and just reapply some lacquer over the top. Not 2-pack, an acrylic, just to see if we can revive this paint on the cheap. It is our way. 8mm socket if anybody's interested. .800 grit, wet and dry. We used wet. One rubbing down later. All the lacquer's gone, but of course it leaves the paint incredibly flat, what's left of it. Haven't gone too hard because you'll go through the base as well, so you've got to go easy. We now lay some new lacquer over it and see what comes out. I don't think that's such a bad result. There's a few imperfections in it, but we're working in a dirty atmosphere. I think that'll wet flat down. Look at that colour. Pleased with that. No adverse reaction yet. Don't know how durable it's going to be, but that's got a lovely shine on it and the colour's back. Very pleased. The only trouble being, got to get the rest of the car to match it now. Oh well.